So that when you come outside, they do them. Even if you dey pass through thick and thin, something go see they move you, they go.
Okay.
The passion, be one thing.
So the most important thing is the passion.
Yes,
Then be the drive. Where go.
Then be the drive, then continuity.
Okay, passion first.
Yes.
Then continuity. Then, if you talk of continuity, something will make you continue now. Then if you can't if you be the kind of person who say you know see something way motivate you to continue, what you can do at that point?
That is why I say now that passion. If you get passion, even when you get challenge as you they move, you go see the carry on. You understand? You go see the carry on. You got that just like that.
So what the passion first, then continuity, then waiting again. Then consistency, of course. Yeah.
You understand? That's just it.
Because some people go tell you say, okay, I used to be MC, you know that kind of thing. What thing will make someone tell I used to be? Let me say maybe you don't something like you don't do maybe you don't do you know they see more. Just like some people go tell you say I MC one event for like 100K, 150K. You go come think say what shouldn't do for village? How many years don't they do MC? You know those kind of things.
Yes.
So if you don't see those kind of encouragement, if you make person withdraw, go. But sure you don't get any points for your career. Maybe say don't think and say okay. Make I add something else so that to make this thing tick.
Honestly, I don't think about that. There are times a time came in my life when I look and say, this thing I don't tire. You understand? Because you talk, you go stand, talk. Sometimes you need to get that power to do that thing. You understand? Because say you don't really build your channels, you don't build people around you. So even when you decide me, no one continue. Somebody you don't do job for will still call you.
Okay.
You understand? Still want to still push you.
Okay, just saying that one be the motivation.
Because you don't really get the passion already in you. Even when you try to say you don't want to do this thing again, because of what you don't do for people.
Because they believe in you.
Yes, they refer people to you. You understand? It happened to me. The time came and I don't even want to do it again. I got to make I try other things. But people go still they call you. If they call you, no go feel say no. And there are times they affect us for job.
Okay.
You get like all this government work, you know go want to do it because all those work we say, they get chance like Saturdays. You get it? So those ones you want to make it leave them because say when they work for a particular place, a parasite or any other place, if job come for the MC job, you go feel leave them.
Okay, I'm so upset. I discover say most times for events, now mostly for weekends, jobs they come. So weekdays, what you do for weekdays?
Before now, I'm not like for you. Weekdays, I go just the house. I go just they watch television. I go just they think
as a graduate,
I go come they sing now. They sing for her. Say God, I beg I need job I need MC I need work But I can't get to understand. So there are things you can still do in your house.
That's within the week.
Yes.
That if that job no come.
Exactly. Some things maybe say if you do, there are some things maybe say you fit build into yourself.
Okay. Tell us your experience. What are the things where you add apart from say just weekend?
Apart from the MC what they do, you understand? Like all these confectionaries.
Okay.
You understand? Somebody still call you for maybe events as in party. Some people they do party like Saturdays. Okay. You understand? Some people do some things like weekdays. You understand? Then you can still teach if you get that. You understand? If you know how to teach, like me now they teach like computer. I teach some of the students around. Then those things where you see na part of you. There are times you can even give them literal knowledge of things. You can make your money from it.
You know, say now this is not one truth where we need to tell ourselves. Most times somebody go tell you say, then be comedian, then be MC. You can look say she said this they do on full time. You know, say sometimes they get side hustle, and really if you don't get those side hustle, till you blow, you know go make them. You know go make them.
And they know say many of our MCs now they don't venture into this. Hotel businesses like you fix them, they get employed into hotels as managers. You understand?
Okay.
Like all this everyday people they come drink. They manage the bars. You understand? Yeah. So these are one ways people can still make their money. They get it, and they wait from there. They get connections. Somebody come to that place, they come drink. You crack one joke. You make them laugh. You do one thing because if you know stress your hustle, I'm not sure if you make them like this for this kind.
Okay, you talk about confectioners way they do. If you break and what you they all about? It's inside.
Na big grammar. Go pack dictionary come like 17 dictionaries more to check out.
What inside? If you say confectioner, say you they bake, or be they fry, or be
anything where you feel do, we consign events like it.
Okay, you know just based on say MC, just
yes. Event management. Somebody can if MC no work for you, like me now. Okay, I dey sing. for my church now.
MC no for you. MC no for you sing.
Many of our public actors, public figures, MCs, or many of people who don't know today, they don't start from church. You understand? So for my own church like this, I made a sing for my church. So from there, I don't really build people. I don't get fans.
Okay, you don't build fan base.
Exactly. So from there are things they see, they do. They can't say, this guy, if you do this thing, no. I don't do it because the person push me, I go do them. I don't because I don't look and say, since I do this thing, I know they stress me. They make a turn into business. You understand? So as I sing, if I no go do MC, I go with live band. You understand? It's with you. It's a job plenty pass your name way collect.
Easy. As I say, about 10 minutes is what you go shock.
I believe you. As your name there, you all go plenty.
But the truth is say
because of the money, you no go come out. Even the person they do wedding, if you go there under umbrella. But me, MC where I be, I don't go come out. If you come out, you don't lose your money.
Let me say as MC, as Igbo man will be.
Igbo people need to carry last. So the song go they hit me. I go they bear. I go they say, God, I beg, medicine just end. But within me, I go they shout with all my power. Hey, Chief Ogongo, hey! If you no shout, you know, guy.
They're not going to spray you.
I can't shout, I can't go house. I can't think. I say, God, I don't die. This is not easy. If you know, increase strength. But Bible say no be him that roll it. But it's of the Lord that show it mercy.
Exactly.
But we go the rough verse.
But Bible say faith without works is there.
Now make they put that work.
Exactly.
Join that faith.
Exactly. Nice one. No, I just say no, let me don't suffer. Because I see you, I can't get hope. Not me too now. Let me too.
You now will be less privileged.
Okay, nice one. You know, say most times some people they see people out there, they will say, this guy they make calm. I would always tell people say no glory we see without a story.
Exactly.
Every glory we see gets story. So most times we need to really like sit down, ask people, say how you take do them, how you take them. Then they will come sit you down, tell you what they don't pass through before you will come know decision where you could take. Nobody say you just say because you see this person for TV, you see how they make and decide they get many followers. You just want share as someone black.
They start from somewhere.
Exactly.
Exactly. You know the easy, my brother.
Oh, God go bless our hustle.
My brother.
As he talk through like this.
Kemi G. God will help us.
Okay, so no say for every entertainer live, you get the time you say you go, which event where you don't do where you say you look and say I know to do well, or you know say get some event you go say I hit this one. So which ones be the one where you say you know?
It ain't easy, you know. Sometimes we will see one thing we people don't understand is say we will be public figures. Then they see us like saying we no get this, as in we no get time we say we go there, as in
like you know the feel pain.
No be feel pain, as in you know they see us like say we know they shy at times. And as I say we they feel carry anything. We don't get our privacy, like we don't get anything we will keep for our back in for back of our life. Now, for the fact say we come outside of public, they do all those things. We get our own challenge. We get that thing that they bother us.
Exactly.
There are times when we say you go come, they will give you job, but you can't do. They already fixed date. You know, go change for person will call you. You understand? So that time reach enough for you to come do the MC. If you be say you know
you're not emotionally stable.
You don't get your strength. You understand? Some of they bother you. Because they don't pay you. You understand? So you have to deliver. And they want you about this job, you go deliver. I don't see people be say person there for stage they preach. They tell us say wife die. Man say pastor wife die. You know go tell you say because say wife die, me no make you no minister. You go minister. You understand? So the job be we dey serve public. So there are times we say we can't do MC for stage, you go come that place, can't do MC. No mean say every time they be bed of roses for us. The challenge they there. And many times
sometimes you carry your own load concept. You no go allow.
Many times we say I don't. Yes, you know, allow your burden.
Yeah.
You use your burden affect people where they do job for. You understand?
Or you can't class, you can't hear people.
Thank you. Everybody they see you as master of ceremony. Now you direct the event. So if you no go, now you go call. Person no chop. You know, now you go come meet. You know one whether that you.
Cool,
you understand? Everybody, now you they carry them along. You no matter the level of personality they there. Now you be the person, will be the master of ceremony. So at times, you get say I get job like I don't get. Somebody come I can't do job for them. The guy they pay me small money. I vex. But after that very day, money will pack go house. No business they is mad talk. Then the next day I can't get what in the upper Saturday. I can't go buy nylon. Police bar buy like 5, put on my bag.
Obi say.
Obi say I go see money. Guy that day I no see 1 naira. So that's what the job they be, the challenge they day. But you go see the full arm. One day your star go shine.
Okay, MC Up Nepal. That one a good story.
KMG.
Okay, so this one I want to ask you now. What do you take for somebody to be a correct MC? She understand. She help somebody go just wake up, just say in be MC, or you know go work. I be get this one kind medicine they take. I be get some kind lesson or coaching. I just work on yourself. I be how you go down.
You know for person to say one become MC. You understand? I no go say that they go to school for the MC. You understand? Okay. Because when person no go to school, say if you do MC, you get them.
Now it depends on you now.
Yes.
Depends on how you take it.
One thing about this job now. Yeah. Exposure.
Okay.
Experience. You understand? Then maturity. You get them. If you are exposed, if you have experience, if you are matured, then you know so you fit in for this thing, you go fit do them. MC now, what you go to watch people, as people they do them. If you want to do something, you go get people who say they be like pace setter for you. You go they follow. You go they watch as they go.
Okay, wait. You get make I. If they talk say if you get people be like pace setter.
Yes.
What if those people way they take do pace setter, be pace setting, they no get training. So now me say yourself automatically, you know get any pattern way they follow.
That is why even if everybody gets what they find for what they want. If now you want to follow now, I can look I'm saying, carry what me I need. There are other ways you can still get what you want. We don't get social media platform. Maybe say you can still connect to anything. You can even go to YouTube now, browse. You go there, browse MC now. How to become a good MC. You go see I'm there. Everything they're online. You understand? So you mustn't even pay to gain something. Your data. You get to give it to you want.
Pay now if you use the data.
Yeah, you don't pay now. You don't need to go to pay for class. When they go live lecture. Online, you don't get what you want. That's it.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this one is still Digits 1024 radio, and the show now Talk Your Mind. In case I want to put them out, we get MC Up Nepal for inside the building today. The number one affiliate call us now 0809-888-1024. And we live on top of all social media platforms for Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Atibebelo. That one at Digits 1024 radio. Make no go anywhere. I'm going to market. We come back now.
Hello, look, I hope the live stream is up now. I have people from different parts of the world joining this event virtually. We have barely 10 minutes to go as it is.
Yes, madam. We are working on it. The cameramen will be here soon.
What? You mean your cameramen are not here yet? How will you get the video? Oh, so you've not even started anything. Oh my God. I don't even understand what is happening. Please, just sort this out.
We are sorry, ma, for this inconvenience. We are working on it.
Would you rather competent and experienced hands handle your virtual event? Would you rather Digits 1024 Solutions give you that seamlessness and peace of mind throughout your events? Yes, you will. At Digits, we are committed to giving you excellent sound quality as well as a professional touch for your virtual events. Call us now on 0809 817 0178. Digits. Live sound at its best.
Hello.
Cause what this boys?
Inga with drugs.
Cause what this boy?
Inga with drugs.
To the 2-pack.
Hey, mellow.
Yeah. This is 1024 radio for you to listen. If you want to get information, if you want to get deformation, if you want to get motivation, if you want to get connection, if you want to get adoption, if you want to get
constipation.
Just listen to the radio.
Don't you just get tired of looking for that complete package that you deserve? Well, I did. As an event planner, I got tired of perching from one place to another, just in search of that perfect sound, security, and comfort, especially in a conducive environment. Not too long after that, my friend Bimbo, aka Wakadube, introduced me to Digits Place. It had just what I needed. A cool environment, amazing sound engineers, not to talk of the quality of sound. Top notch. I even got to find out that the place could be used for studio rehearsals, live recordings, small meetings, birthday parties, and even bridal shower with other packages. So just in case you want to know more about this place, you can call them on 0809 573 3330 or send them a mail to info@Digits Sound Solutions. Don't say I didn't tell you. Digits, live sound at its best.
All right, we don't come back, ladies and gentlemen. This one is still your number one online radio station, Digits 1024 Radio. And the show one of the years when I talk your mind, and on top of here, we talk our mind concerning everything that happen around us. And I see there inside the studio with me, MC Up Nepa,
original number one.
All right, for now to put man for the topic where we get, so we'll carry come to the we won't talk. The number one if you take call us now 0809 888 1024. I take them again 0809 888 1024. We're there for on top of all social media platforms for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. That one at Digits 1024. And for on top of YouTube, we did here. As I follow and talk now, we show this one live for Facebook. So if you go for your Facebook, enter the search button, you go type Digits 1024 Radio. And I'll go to watch us live for there. Or if I want to hear them from through the app, I'm gonna go when I enter Google, download the app, then and I go for once you just enter the app, you go there easier. But if you want to do it through your browser, that one go be www.digits1024 radio. Mom, and I go just hear us. That's
so it be.
So MC Up Nepa,
my brother, Kemi G.
Get the matter will carry come today. We'll go like make yourself choke my out. You get how the matter take be. Now say you get the story of one elderly woman who they try talk about. So this elderly woman, she get house day, money day, okay. But it's just that she day lonely. People they like come around, and she they want make people come around. Just like say them they run.
Okay.
So we can discover say this woman she get like 5 children with them day abroad. So when they around, she know they allow make other people come. She know they look other people face. Not only her children face and herself. Now they look. So now those children don't big. All of them can't go abroad. Now only mama can't dey. Mama don't advance. So those people where she they try pursue that time, she won't come they bring them back. Then say no go there. And both time say she no help people. She no really affect people like that. So what would they try talk today be say? What do you go feel make somebody go dey advance? Of course, you get some other things where they happen where go make people where they advance like that they alone. But what you go happen we say somebody go dey advance like that, people no go like come closer. People no go like one associate. I know say you go get family members to be like that too. You get uncles, you get how they call them. If say you go ask them for one thing, they no go agree one shake body. By the time they don't discover say they don't dey alone, they come they like one day say okay bring your pikin make they come stay with me. But then now people come they begin they you understand what they talk about?
They try make I calculate that woman. You probably not enter 100%.
Okay, put moko.
He's an old woman.
Advance. She don't get advance.
And you need a help person. You know people around.
No, now she won't help.
Now you can't find her because everybody don't live and come out. You understand? There are many things if he cause this kind of thing. You understand? And this story, it there for every environment.
Yeah, it happen almost everywhere.
Everywhere. And you go see more for public compounds. You get them. Then there are if you look two-way side.
Okay.
The woman now, maybe why she get her children. She feels say now only her and her family.
Okay.
Because she just feel like say you want to take care of them, send them. He believe say if she grow up,
her children go.
Now then go still pay back.
Yeah.
That love.
Now their children don't go up. All of them come scatter.
She don't understand say life get stage. You get them. Now she don't forget say pikin where you born go still go marry. Girls go marry. Guys go marry. They know carry parents come flow them stay. You don't need neighbor come help them. Neighbor pikin come help them. You understand? Now, in our own case, children now we know the degree come near them. Figure their own reason why they don't want to come. If you be say the woman make you look am okay, make you see am like a general knowledge now, general understanding, general discussion.
Okay.
If you be say the children themselves, they don't see this woman say she know they accessible.
Then now.
Yes, as at then. That made them now when she can't need them, they don't fit come near them. You understand? Because if take for instance, you dey for compound, children come back, you go just come. Hey, check also. Go fetch me water. You know, ask am say, you don't even touch and say, how your body be? You don't chop today. How school? Children need person even they were coming. People need at least show them love. People need they show people as in people need they consider people around them. They only want their own first. That be the problem I see for this case now.
Okay.
She only dey self-centered for her family. Now it be one of the reasons make people now to come show that love. They don't go one show. Then some families also need the life that bikini or that people they come near person. Maybe the woman need an errand person. Hey, because you can't do everything for yourself for this life. No matter how your money plenty.
Not true.
Somebody we need each other for each other. Now she needs somebody now at this time. They don't go one come near her because either say you don't do one person bad thing. You don't show them say I don't like people. I don't want to return around me. Maybe one day but don't say I'm going to tell you children, see this woman. If I hear say she call you, can't go buy or can't go do this. I don't finish you. So when one pikin pass through that challenge, he go tell others.
Okay, yeah, that one we talk, but that one follow. But you get another scenario where I want to look.
Okay.
There's a get some compound where you go see fence, big fence. What does that fence mean? We say nobody go enter.
They come put on one big dog.
Come put a big dog.
All those dogs with a big.
Sure, you understand? So everybody don't look say this one now. Then they on their own.
Yes.
No go.
They live alone now.
Like beware of dog, beware of snake.
Na privacy.
Sure, you understand? So what I talk say most times you go find those people by the time they advance, they don't want anybody. By the time they advance, come and say they embrace people.
They need people around them.
They embrace family members. So what would they try to talk for you? Say, he not be party to get money. She understand. Not be party to say you want take care of your family. But would they talk say, try consider that people
extend love to people. Not only your people. Not only your children. That's the way they try to drive now. You understand? You don't carry fence now block everywhere. Can't go buy dog like 7. Put everywhere.
Buy German dog.
You understand?
Yoruba dog.
Then you can't forget say your children will still come out.
Yeah.
You understand that kind of thing?
Yeah.
Now you can't find somebody. They're not going to answer you.
And person will know the background of the story. Could say,
thank you.
Could say,
they will say, this children, they don't get respect too.
Exactly.
I don't understand where they go.
Sure you get.
You're not true.
They could say, this your auntie, where they like this. What's make another they go visit town?
She can't be like an island.
She understand. She never. By then you know say she don't advance. She never come big game out to now. Me and you will no go. Now I go be like, this thing I turn on from my own experience. So I get people like that who say the synergy they there. They be more people but I know when we dey younger, they know really. I don't know how they put it.
They don't look your face.
She understand. But now they won't come and say, my sister pikin, my brother pikin. I don't know whether he gave it to that. The thing no flow at all. I know me that my leg don't call say, this person go try go visit and I go go. But you know the body. So now what do they try balance for here? We say, no matter how you take B, just try accommodate others.
Yes.
Even if they don't come stay for your house, say at least they reach out to say how on a day, what thing they happen. Even as say based on say this is what I tell you, then whole no say the whole. The number no one of them will say okay, how much be your school fees? She understand. So
you see that kind of one, that side now they're very very good. If you sow that kind of seed for person life,
exactly.
Now, you understand?
Yeah.
You come now see one pikin. You know say many of us we sabi send. But we know they ask like this thing was asked before. You never get any impact for that person's life. You get to show pikin love. Even if it's like say no go message for me again, you go see they go. You understand? If you promise pikin biscuit, if you like travel go Sokoto, come back, that biscuit you promise him, he go still come meet you. You understand? So if you feel say you really want, I don't say you must expect, you must give out before you receive. You understand? Love. But you will be say you want maybe person come show you that love. You understand? Now, vis-a-vis, you understand? So you need to even show that people know they caring. So for you to now go and see the woman say, I go to see the children say people don't want respect, they don't want to reciprocate, they don't want to help them. You need to ask that person, what make you know want to help this person? But people no go ask because attitude and people they no get respect. They no want to come near this woman. So that's
But
what the thing be.
we no go advise make person take evil pay evil back. But what I try to talk we say most times you get how the matter take be. It depends on what thing you bring come for the table.
Yeah.
Now what thing some people go take follow you. So the advice what they give people out there now be say make you look out for people wey dey around you, your family members, your loved ones. Even if you know if you do something for everybody finish.
Exactly.
At least just small, just some people go see complain. But at least one corner for their mind they go say, this person.
No matter. You get to into the try.
Yeah.
That is showing hospitality.
Exactly. See, this life, people don't care how much you get to. People care how much you care. Now, why you take care? Now they want to know. No be matter of say how much you give them.
If you don't get too much.
Exactly.
But the way today.
Because my own
relationship with people around you.
Exactly. Because my own situation, them you say those other people those my people they watch the other side. They come visit us. Now we they always they go.
Well, now they don't need you.
Now we they always they go. They say, get where I can't go. We say I can't.
You can't tire. Now because of they no start them on time with you. You understand? So it they be you like stress now. They want just begin they push you for waiting. You know they your body. Understand? So for you to now begin to see them as my people, you go take time to build them. You get them. So anything they do for life, could remember for tomorrow.
Exactly. Now the message.
Remember for tomorrow because nothing they last forever. Money no go last forever.
Even our bookie perfume, you know they last.
You know if you last, you understand? Nothing they last forever. So if you refuse say I don't get them complete.
Remember those with around you.
Yes. I mean, I say best way they throw stone.
Exactly.
Our
ladies and gentlemen, we did with the MC Up Nepa for the building. Like I take talk before, we did on top of all social media platforms. We did Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and others. We also did for Facebook as they talk now. We did Facebook Live. The number one if you call us in case I want to check out for waiting with the talk now. The number is 0809 888 1024. I take that number again. 0809 888 1024. Okay, back to where to the talk. MC Up Nepa.
Yeah, okay.
So seriously, there are people like that. If you get people around you where they do like that, what do you go tell them? Maybe they never advanced now. They're still young now. People say they just believe on themselves. You understand? They just believe say they be one man mopo. You know. So what be the advice where you go? What do you go talk with for those people? With
if I meet with somebody where they get that kind of character, you understand, and the person give me audience,
okay,
to fit talk to them because some people they like advice.
Is that
then yes? Then if you feel say if I go advise them, how you go feel? Make you know embarrass me because some people say they like me person embarrass them. Then that thing. So if the person give me audience, I'll first ask can I talk to you? If he say yeah, fine. Because sometimes people they pass through that depression, that pain for the heart, they don't feel express them. They're going to die with that thing. Because maybe you don't need help. Nobody won't give you. You can't stay inside room, they die alone. So they might be needing somebody to come to advise them, but they don't feel talk maybe because of ego.
Exactly.
So when that person comes, the person don't call like Messiah. They'll give an audience. But some they die for their pain, they don't send you. They won't die like that. So if somebody gives you audience for an advice, that be where you go tell them, say, this way they do. Check them out. This is not good for you. Because as your picking no day now, you need people around you. Where come these people? So that if you call them, they go answer you. Then you constantly go with those where they vex. You go know what to make the vex. Maybe they need degree. This woman call them, they go run. They say like witch. They go run. You understand? So you go ask them, what's happen? Then go tell you their own. You go say, okay. You go be like intermediary. Settle the matter. She said, go understand. Because sometimes, as they grow...
And I go school.
No, we don't go school. So, as they grow, as they advance, when adult they advance, in brain go they come down.
And that point, I think we kind of need people around them.
Because they like small picking.
Yeah. Now, when they don't advance. So what if they try to talk now, say, make people, they reach out to people?
Yes. So no matter as person take do you, if you go fit help, show love. Forget about the pain.
So as you come studio today now, we expect say you
make I show you now.
give away. Yes. Now that's what they talk now.
Don't worry, you go send me account number. Make I transfer 5,000 for your account.
Are you serious?
No, I go make a 2,500.
Hey.
Get me G. Come on. Use your house, stand on my house. We are the same. I don't have the money now.
No, well, you show for your face. I know you don't have it.
It's well.
I know you don't have it.
All right. You see,
I know you don't have it.
I have a, don't go play rough play. I play the play. Now you dey give me money for the job. I know try come now.
Okay.
I enter flights.
I believe you. I believe
me enter first class come here.
I believe you. So MC up Nepa.
Yeah,
this matter we dey talk now really serious matter. So you know go good maybe say we get what we need to tell somebody, we no tell am. Exactly. Like when you see somebody they go the wrong direction and you dey in position to call am back, call the person back. So I would like maybe you talk to our elderly ones out there. So what will be the solution we go? This is they not already advanced now. What you want to do to them now?
If they as not already
advanced, or you say people know they like. If somebody way they out there, be say people know they like go closer. If people say the person they hold low, not be only poor people they run for more.
Okay, well, on this particular contest now, you can understand. Say even when person get picking come off for house, maybe to go find your own greener pastures.
Exactly.
As a matter, maybe
which you say a normal thing.
Yes, or marriage carry person come off for house. You understand?
Yeah.
Because you know go stay with parents forever.
Exactly.
So what thing people they do for this jet age now? You look for house help. You look for house help for the aged ones. You understand? No matter how financially down with family they yeah, there must always be provisions for such kind of things. You understand?
Okay. You talk say they go look for house help.
Yes.
But you know, see, get for some kind
family setting.
No, for some kind countries like that, you get the place where we say those elderly people they go stay. Instead of you to come carry house.
Help
come. Showing us like they say elderly home.
Okay.
No, you know, prefer that one to say person bring house.
You know, see, it depends on what person they want them. You get them. Some might decide to take their parents to a particular place for care, where they go keep them there, where they care for them.
So which one would be the best?
For me, if taking them to a place where they go take care of them, they okay. But if I'm to suggest, I would rather prefer you look for a house help. They go there with your parents for house. You understand? They see to their day-to-day living. So you say if you get time, you can't check on them. Because if you carry them now, go put them for that place where they care for them. You don't know until they take care of them. Whether na one cup of rice they chop for money.
You
understand?
You be like
saying now, you be like putting them for boarding school.
You be like person where they say.
Yeah, exactly.
Not carry food go give her. You don't give her food direct. You go give someone making give her.
Yes, now. That's what it be.
If I go use the food, no go use the person. So what be the main thing there? Be say make everybody try bring their hand down. We know say most times. As it be now, most times now we take around to provide everything. Now we provide light to ourselves. Now we provide water. I don't see larger people. Now we provide security. Now we provide security for ourselves.
Exactly.
So in say we provide security for yourself. Make you try to accommodate people because those security are those gates where they put those doors.
Exactly.
You know they consider other people. By the time when you come consider them, you come be say you don't dey late somehow. So now the thing where they try for choice, say make everybody they try. Come down to everybody level so that you go there